Let's take out those dirty superstars and get them shining. Step 1. Start off with unlacing your shoes and put them aside for a while. Using the soft ShoeGR brush, brush off that dust from the upper part of your shoes. Step 2. Now pour 3 gentle pumps of ShoeGR solution in a bowl of water and mix it well. Step 3. Dip the soft brush in the ShoeGR liquid. Gently clean the upper part of your shoes. Step 4. Use the microfiber towel to dab it dry. Step 5. Grab that medium brush, dip it in the ShoeGR solution and use it on the midsoles to scrub off the dirt. Wipe it clean with the microfiber towel. Step 6. Take the hard brush, dip it in the ShoeGR solution and scrub the outsoles to break the dirt. Use the microfiber towel to wipe it. Grab those laces, dip them in the ShoeGR solution and wipe them using the microfiber towel. Go little rockstar, flaunt your superstar.